What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a turkey taco bowl, which I have right here and I'm eating. It's really good, it's low carb. You could actually put this in tacos, in a burrito. I like to have it as a bowl, and it's really simple. It makes really good meal prep, and yeah, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. To start, I am chopping up some red onion, and this is gonna go straight in with the turkey when I saute it, as you will see. For this recipe, I don't count how much I put in of anything, I just go by eye. So this is totally up to you. I'm not really sure how much red onion I use, but as you will see here, I use a good amount because I love the taste of it. Next, I'm moving on to a green bell pepper. You can use red bell pepper or any other color bell pepper that's out there. I just happen to have green on hand. I usually go between green or red because those to me have the best flavor. Again, I don't measure how much I use, but in this case I used about 3/4 of the bell pepper. And yeah, it came out really good. So as much bell pepper as you want. I set the onion and pepper aside. Now I am chopping up the toppings of the bowl. I like to have this ready so when the turkey is done and nice and hot, I could just throw everything together and eat it when it's done. So I have some shredded lettuce and I cut that. Now I am cutting some green onion. I usually use cilantro as well. I just happened to run out, so I'm using a lot of extra green onion for toppings. And then also tomato. I feel that adding a lot of tomato to this is really good because sometimes the meat could be a little dry. Turkey in general, I feel, is sometimes a little drier than other meats. So adding a lot of tomato really adds a lot of texture and flavor. To my pan, I added some minced garlic. That's what I had on hand. You can use regular garlic, and I'm putting a very small drizzle of avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you prefer, and then I'm just going to spread this out so it gets everywhere evenly. The oil is just so it doesn't stick, otherwise there's a lot of oils that come out of the meat already, so I don't want to overdo that. Next, I'm adding the peppers and the onions, letting that saute for just about a minute because it's going to be in the pan long and I don't want everything to get soggy. So yeah, just let that sit for a minute, and then I'm going to see a minute pass by. I'm going to add the ground turkey, and I just kind of put it in, let it sit there for a few seconds so one side gets a little bit cooked, and then once it's sizzling for a little bit, then I start taking my wooden spoon and I start chopping it around, mixing it around. While the meat is still there and it's still raw, that is when I add the taco mix. I get this from Trader Joe's. A lot of stores have really great taco mix flavors. I will add in the description box what exactly this one has in it, if you don't have access to this. So mainly it has paprika, has salt, has pepper, has a lot of different spices, and it's just easier for me to
pour in this, then add all those together, so that's why I get them. And I only use half because it comes out very spicy, and I feel like it's just a little overdone when the entire package is in, so only half, and then I save the other half if I make this again, or if I use it for another recipe. Now that now that the meat is finished, I am going to add my toppings, the shredded lettuce, the green onion, the tomato, actually some black beans too, which I didn't mention earlier. So black beans, I love beans, and then also some avocado. I totally forgot to record myself cutting the avocado, but yes, cannot go without avocado.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like this video, comment. I'm trying to build up this page here so I keep doing more videos. It's really fun for me, so that would really help me out. And stay tuned for the next video coming very, very soon. Bye!